Have you ever wondered how we might travel in the future? How the world of transportation is evolving to meet the challenges of climate change? The answer lies in a powerful three-letter acronym: EVs, or electric vehicles. These vehicles are more than just a trend. They represent an entirely new approach to transportation, one that prioritizes sustainability, efficiency, and harmony with our environment. And at the forefront of this revolution, we find Eco Energy Rating Limited UK. Eco Energy Rating Limited UK is a leading figure in the world of EVs, spearheading initiatives and innovations that are turning the vision of sustainable transportation into a reality. But what does this vision look like, you may ask? Well, it's a future where our journeys leave no carbon footprint, where the air we breathe is cleaner, and where our dependence on fossil fuels is a thing of the past. In this future, we're not just passengers, we're active participants in the journey towards a more sustainable planet. Every time we choose to drive an electric vehicle, we're making a statement. We're saying that we care about our environment, and we're willing to embrace new technologies to protect it. Now, the road to this future may seem daunting. After all, change is never easy. But that's where Eco Energy Rating Limited UK comes in. With their expertise and passion, they're making the switch to electric vehicles a simpler, more accessible process. They're not just providing the vehicles, they're offering an entire ecosystem that supports this new mode of transportation, from charging stations to maintenance services. So the next time you think about the future of transportation, imagine a world where the hum of an electric motor replaces the roar of a combustion engine. A world where your vehicle is more than just a means of getting from point A to point B, but a tool for positive change. At Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, we're not just imagining the future of transportation, we're creating it. You might be wondering, what makes electric vehicles so special? Well, let's dive into that. Primarily, electric vehicles, or EVs, are a breath of fresh air, quite literally. They emit zero tailpipe pollutants, meaning they don't release harmful gases like carbon dioxide or nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. This is a significant step forward in improving air quality, especially in urban areas where air pollution is a pressing concern. But that's not all. EVs also contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. How? Well, they run on electricity, a form of energy that can be generated from renewable sources like solar or wind power. As we move towards a future where more of our electricity comes from these clean, green sources, EVs will become even more environmentally friendly. Now let's talk about your wallet. EVs are not only good for the planet, but they're also good for your budget. The cost of electricity, the fuel of EVs, is significantly cheaper than gasoline, so you'll spend less on fuel over the lifetime of an EV compared to a conventional car. And since electric vehicles are more energy efficient, you'll get more miles out of each charge, further stretching your dollar. And the savings don't stop at fuel. EVs have fewer moving parts than their gas-guzzling counterparts, which means less wear and tear and fewer parts to replace. This translates into lower maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle. Electric vehicles are also whisper quiet, providing a smooth and serene driving experience. This not only makes your journey more enjoyable but also contributes to reducing noise pollution. In a nutshell, with EVs, you're investing in a cleaner environment and a healthier wallet. They are a testament to how sustainability and cost efficiency can go hand in hand. With EVs, you're not just saving the environment, you're saving money too. Ready to embark on your EV journey? It's easier than you might think. With Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Switching to an electric vehicle is a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a first step. For many, that first step is understanding where and how to charge the vehicle. At Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, we've simplified this process with our extensive network of over 48,000 EV charging stations spread across the UK. Whether you're at home, work, or on the road, a charging station is never far away. Accessing our charging stations is as simple as using an app or visiting our website. With a user-friendly interface, you can locate the nearest charging station, check its availability, and even reserve a slot if needed. We've made charging your EV as convenient as charging your smartphone, but the journey doesn't end there. For home or business owners considering installing an EV charging station, our team of qualified EV installers is ready to assist. We understand that proper installation is crucial for safety and efficiency. That's why we ensure that every charging station we install meets the highest standards of quality and safety. With Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, you can rest assured that your charging station is not just installed, but installed correctly. And for those still unsure about making the switch, we're here to offer advice and answer any questions you might have. We believe that the more you know about EVs, the easier your decision to switch will be. So, are you ready to embark on your EV journey? With Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, switching to an EV is more than just a choice for a greener future. It's a choice for a more convenient, cost-effective, and sustainable lifestyle. With Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, switching to an EV is a breeze. Before you get behind the wheel of an EV, there are a few things you should know. The transition to electric vehicles comes with its own set of unique considerations. One such factor is the weather. It may surprise you, but extreme weather conditions can have an impact on your EV's range. In colder climates, for instance, battery efficiency can slightly decrease, resulting in a modest reduction in the overall driving range. However, this is not a cause for concern. Eco Energy Rating Limited UK is here to guide you through the seasons. We provide you with the tools and knowledge to effectively manage your EV in all climates. For example, by preheating your EV while it's still connected to the charger, you can conserve battery power and maintain a comfortable cabin temperature. It's just one of the many ways we're committed to ensuring your EV experience is smooth, efficient, and enjoyable, no matter the weather outside. The same principle applies to hot climates. Extreme heat can also affect battery performance, but again, we've got you covered. With proper care and maintenance, you can optimize your EV's performance and longevity, even in the hottest summers. Our customer support team is always on hand to help, providing expert advice and guidance on all aspects of EV ownership. Whether you need tips on seasonal maintenance, assistance with charging infrastructure, or just general advice, we are here for you. Remember, the journey with electric vehicles is not just about adopting a new technology, it's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle. It's about redefining our relationship with transportation and energy. It's about making choices that respect our planet and the future generations that will inhabit it. At Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, we're not just selling you a vehicle, we're inviting you to be a part of a movement towards cleaner air, quieter streets, and a more sustainable world. We're here to support you every step of the way, from the moment you decide to go electric, through every mile you travel, and every season you experience. With Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, you're never alone on your EV journey. Eco Energy Rating Limited UK is more than just a company. We're a movement. We stand at the forefront of the EV revolution, championing the shift towards sustainable and efficient transportation. Our mission? To accelerate the transition to a net zero economy in the UK, and EVs play an instrumental role in this mission. As pioneers of this revolution, we understand the profound impact EVs can have on the transportation sector and the environment as a whole. We're not just talking about reducing greenhouse gas emissions or improving air quality, although those are significant benefits. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation and energy. Consider this. EVs are not just vehicles, they are mobile energy units, capable of storing and dispatching electricity. This ability to integrate with the grid opens up a world of opportunities for renewable energy. We can harness the power of the wind and sun, store it in our vehicles, and use it when and where we need it. This is a game changer. But it's not just about the cars or the technology, it's about people. It's about creating a society where clean, efficient, and affordable transportation is accessible to all. This is the vision that drives us at Eco Energy Rating Limited UK. We're not just installing charging stations or selling EVs, we're building a community of forward thinkers, of innovators, of individuals who care about the planet and the future we're leaving for our children. And we're making progress. Every EV on the road, every charging station installed, brings us one step closer to our goal. But we're not stopping there. We're constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Join us at Eco Energy Rating Limited, UK, in driving the EV revolution. Let's unlock a greener tomorrow today.